Hello everyone. So this is the introduction class for Domo BI tool. So let's see what is Domo. Domo is a business cloud. It is a mobile cloud-based social community-driven business intelligence platform with the power to transform the way you manage your business. And Domo can help you view the data in one place, democratize across your business, socialize important goals, and create accountability. So, how can Domo benefit business? First, all data in single dashboard in real time or right time, self-service BI to connect to dataset, access the right information at right time, manage performance, unlimited drill down through the data layer of a metric, monitor, analyze and manage key activity and process, make better decision faster, collaborate with all who needs to know. So by using Domo, we can see all the data at one place, like all the required data, all the KPI at one place by creating a dashboard. So in a Domo, we have a facility to use a self-service BI. Like we can create a report, like someone is not a technical or not from analysis background and he is the user, but still he can change his chart type and way of visualization in the Domo. So access the right information at the right time. So Domo ensure the availability of information at right time, means schedule the job, we can schedule the job, we can schedule the data refresh, so we'll have the data available in report on right time. So manage performance, unlimited, Domo have a unlimited drill down, we can monitor, analyze and manage key activity and process by using Domo. We can make better decision and faster decision by using Domo. And next, user profile in Domo. So it's very simple, like if we add any of the user in Domo, so they will have some user profile with all information like profile picture, what are the favorite card for that user, and their group, like the user belongs to which group and everything. So these all things we will see in Domo practical classes, how to create everything. Thank you.